Hello everybody, welcome to Urdu Academy Jakarta. In this lesson we will learn name of days in Urdu language and how to say tomorrow, next week, every day or this week or next week. So let's have a start. We start with the name of days in Urdu language. So Monday, Somvar, or sometimes people say Peer, but Somvar is most common. Tuesday, Mangal, Wednesday, Budh, Thursday, Jumraat, Friday, Jummah, Saturday, Hafta. In here one point come into my mind that Saturday is Hafta. The day Saturday is Hafta and the week is also Hafta. For example, you wanna say 1 week, then you will say ek hafta, or if you want to say it's Saturday, you will say hafta. Okay. Sunday, itwar. So next we will talk about every day, har din. For example, someone asking you when you go to market, and you can say I go to market every day. So every day is har din. Or you can also say every Sunday, har itwar, every Friday, har Jummah. So next we have this Sunday. Once again, someone asking you when will you go to market, and you say I will go to market this Sunday. This Sunday is itwar, or like this Friday is Jummah. Next we have next Friday, agle Jummah. Next week, agle hafta. In here I have some phrases we use in our routine life while we talking about days or our routine program. So let's talk about these phrases. What day is it? Kya din hai? Repeat with me. Kya din hai? Or you can say what day is today? आज क्या दिन है? आज क्या दिन है? And the answer is it's Friday. आज जुम्मा है. It's Sunday. आज इतवार है. You may need to ask what day is tomorrow. कल कौन सा दिन है? Repeat with me. कल कौन सा दिन है? Or maybe you are confused, is it Friday or not? Then you can ask, is it Friday today? क्या आज जुम्मा है? Is it Sunday today? क्या आज इतवार है? If you are right, the answer is yes, हाँ. Or if you are wrong, the other person will tell you no, it's Saturday. नहीं, आज हफ्ता है. नहीं, आज हफ्ता है. This is end of the lesson. I hope this lesson will help you to build your Urdu vocabulary or to improve your Urdu conversation. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe us below. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.